Why do you want to do MBA? The question is simple, but yet a valid one. Sometimes this question is not asked directly. Say instead of why do you want to do MBA, an interviewer can ask what's wrong with your current profile? Why do you want to get into a curriculum like MBA? What's the need of advanced degree like MBA when you have a good job? Or something similar, probing you to know the reason of why MBA. All these probing means the same thing and needs to be answered with a similar approach in mind, which of course we will be discussing. Sometimes students come and ask me, what is the need of this question? I'm interested, I'm paying for this degree. What's the need of this type of questions like why MBA? You need to understand MBA, also known as PGP or PGDM, which is a postgraduate program or postgraduate diploma in management. It's a postgraduate program. It's not just an advanced degree, but one of the expensive education programs. And no institute would want to get a student who aren't really serious about this program, as these students will turn out to be an alumni in the future, and the alumni network is of a great value to these institutes. The institutes do not want students who are there only for the pastime. They need focused candidates, and every personal question must be answered with seriousness. So don't be casual about it while you are answering why MBA. That said, you must tell exactly why you want to do MBA. To understand that, you must know what MBA is all about. With a simple Google search, you will understand it's a degree focusing on various areas of business administration. This includes finance, accounting, marketing, applied statistic, business communication, human resource, law, economics, operation, entrepreneurship, or ethics. I hope I covered major verticals, but if I missed anything, you can find it over Google or your curriculum. All these subjects or areas are extensive and are never taught under one umbrella platform except in MBA. And that makes MBA unique and the best in understanding all these business verticals. This gives us our first reason. I want to do MBA because I want to learn about different business verticals. That's it. I want to do MBA because I want to learn about different business verticals. Short and simple. Will this answer impress the interviewers? Short answer is no. Even though it's true, it's not going to impress because this is what almost every candidate will tell them. So what do you do to impress these interviewers? You have to show them seriousness, that you actually know about this program well. And how do you do that? You name the actual subjects. You name the actual electives or the courses which the college has to offer you. This shows the interviewer that you have done your research well. So now the answer will become, I want to do MBA because I want to learn about various verticals such as finance, accounting, economics, operations, applied statistics, which the college has to offer. Think it like a recipe that you are planning with every answer. Now, at least you have got the basics covered. Now put some spices and masala to make it worth it. How do you do that? Talk about your experience and how MBA fits well with your career graph. For example, if you are an engineer who is currently working in an IT company doing coding, then maybe your answer could be, I'm an IT engineer and I have been closely working on IT projects like XYZ. I have gotten a limited understanding of XYZ business verticals or XYZ projects which I am handling. However, my manager has got a better perspective on how the overall business is conducted, how the business decision is made when other project teams perform, or what are the implications if other teams do not deliver on time. With MBA, these knowledge gaps will be filled. As the curriculum includes subjects like finance, accounting, marketing, strategy, project management, or so on, I will get a complete picture of the business, and it will help me perform better to a unified vision of the company. How do that sound? I think it sounds much better than simply telling I want to do MBA because I want to learn about different profile. You need to stick your answer with your current profile. And it's not just about IT. If you're a CA, you can relate it with your finance or accounting work that you have been doing. And you're curious about other verticals, how they complement. If you're in sales, you can include your limited experience of lead generation and client interaction, and you want to learn more about how the business dynamics role play in the other verticals to be able to sell you better. If you do not have any job experience, you can still relate it with your college projects or the courses that you have learned and you have been working on. If you want to make a real-time application of these projects and turn it into a business plan, you need knowledge of the business verticals. Believe me, if you relate it with your current profile, your answer recipe is going to be very tasty. And it's not a copied answer that will fit into others' profile. So your answer will be unique to you. And the reason of doing an MBA will be actually be yours. And that's just reason number one. I told you, I'll do my best to give you comprehensive answer. Now comes the reason number two. Reason number two is alumni network. Why alumni network is important is because when you grow professionally, you will realize that alumni play a very key role in guidance and overall career path. For alumni who are at the higher position, they often connect with these students and share their stories of business world and how they progressed. These alumni can become your mentors, your next bosses, or simply an influencer in your professional journey. Whatever their role may be, it's important for the college to build the best of the network. And it's important for the student to reciprocate alumni's achievement. Then again, you will not simply say you want to do MBA because you want to be a part of their huge alumni network. No, add masala, add details. Your answer could be, I want to do MBA and specifically from your institute because college has a huge portfolio of 5,000 plus alumni since its inception in 1980s. I'm just giving an example. I would want to be a part of this stronger alumni network and accelerate my learning curve with alumni's experience. You can also go ahead and state alumnus name. For example, how Indra Nooyi has inspired me and her work on restructuring and diversifying products played an important role in building PepsiCo. That now she is in the list of the most powerful women in business, and that is something that has inspired me. This also helps you in driving the interview. Say your follow-up question could be on PepsiCo. That wraps up our reason number two. Now, reason number three, upgrade your career graph. It is recommended to use this reason for those who are working, but also for the freshers, you can use this reason. Everyone understands that you have been working with the same job profile and most of you got bored with your day-to-day work and want to upgrade to a better position. MBA helps in accelerating your career profile. In fact, if you go to job portals, you will realize many middle management or the top management profile has a basic eligibility criteria that the applicant needs to be an MBA. So you can very well use this reason for why do you want to do MBA. You can explain them. Say your current job role is application developer in an IT company. The reason why you want to do MBA is because in your current profile, even if you outperform, you will be promoted to a senior developer in say 2 years. And maybe in 3 to 5 years, you will be in a team lead position. And then comes the project lead in say more 2 years. And then probably if you are doing really great in say 10 to 15 years of your time in you will be landing up in a management position. With MBA, you can shorten this time period. Within only a few years, you will be in a management position with a higher job responsibility and you can much better add value add to the overall business. I hope I'm making sense in bringing clarity to these personal interview questions. And that's just 3 reasons. I have more. Now, before I jump to the 4th reason and you found this video useful, do like and subscribe to this channel. It really motivates me to create more such similar content, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So, coming to reason number 4, learning from peer group. Peer group, that is your classmate or the colleagues, were also with you during the school or your graduation college. So, what makes special about this particular peer group in an MBA institute? Well, there is a difference. Earlier, during your graduation, everyone has almost a similar kind of background. But here in MBA, you can find people with different background. Some will be engineers, CA, BSc, BCom, or doctors. People from varied background comes in. Well, disclaimer, actually in reality, most of them are engineers in India, but still MBA course is such that there is no restriction where you have come from. And what do this peer group brings in? Their experience from different domain enrich the overall classroom discussion. An engineer's perspective might be completely different from doctor's outlook. This certainly helps us in uplifting the overall learning curve. This peer group from different background will eventually collaborate into various projects. Not just that you can learn from them, but also you can make amazing friends or build your professional network with people with different industry streams. That winds up reason number 4. Now, reason number 5, learning from case studies. MBA is one of the courses where there is huge focus given on experiential or case-based learning. It's in almost every courses you will find more examples of how businesses have successfully used certain use cases. These concepts are not just taught in theory, but they are in practice by businesses. So it's of extreme importance of how you can learn from others' mistake. Also, there are a lot of competitions or case on these case studies. So there is extremely competitive environment for you to grow. How will you frame your answer? You can use examples of a few of the use cases or the case studies that are taught in MBA. Say for example, how Apple strategized its product journey to become a brand, or what kind of challenges Amazon or the other e-commerce sites has faced, or how the startup grew. MBA case studies include all these real-time examples, and these are the part of the curriculum. So it's worth to invest time and energy in the courses like MBA to learn what other businesses have been doing, learn from their mistakes and their successes. So to summarize, all 5 reasons to do MBA. First, to learn about different verticals. Second, alumni network. Third, upgrade your career graph. Fourth, learning from the peer group. And fifth, learning from case studies. If you do everything that I have said in this video for this question, I'm sure you will ace this interview question. It will also help you direct this interview like I mentioned in some of the examples. This also helps you have a structured approach to the interview. Keep these pointers ready. You can always go back and check out these pointers, whatever I have mentioned, while scripting your answer. In case you feel I have missed any pointers or you have any question on a specific topic, feel free to leave that in the comment section. I read all my comments. Thank you.